To write an expression with rational exponents in simplest form, write every exponent as a positive number. Problem 6. Writing expressions in simplest form. What is each expression in simplest form? Part A. Negative 8x times the square root of xy, that quantity raised to the 2/3 power. Well, we can rewrite negative 8x times the square root of xy to the 2/3 power as negative 8 to the 2/3 power times x to the 2/3 power times xy to the 1/2 power raised to the 2/3 power. As we work to simplify, negative 8 can be written as negative 2 to the 3rd power, that's still raised to the 3/2 power, now times x to the 2/3 times xy to the 1/3 power, and that's the same as negative 2 squared times x to the 2/3 power times x to the 1/3 power times y to the 1/3 power, and this expression becomes 4xy to the 1/3, or 4x times the cube root of y, depending on whether we leave our answer in exponential form or radical form. Part B, 16y to the negative 8th power raised to the negative 3/4 power. Well, 16y to the negative 8th raised to the negative 3/4 can be rewritten as 16 to the negative 3/4 power times y to the negative 8th times negative 3/4, using properties of exponents. 16 is the same as 2 to the 4th power, so our expression becomes 2 to the 4th raised to the negative 3/4 times, and now y to the negative 8 times negative 3/4 becomes y to the 6th power. So we have 2 to the negative 3rd, y to the 6th power, which becomes y to the 6th power over 8. Your turn, part A. What is 8x to the 15th power raised to the negative 1/3 power in simplest form? And part B. What is 9x times the 4th root of y raised to the 3/2 power in simplest form?